Greetings, this is Blackrock, back with another presentation. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and share. Now let's begin. Aligning with your highest timeline. The future is not something you merely arrive at. It is something you continually shape through the choices, habits, relationships, and values you embody today. Every day, human beings make choices. Some are small, some are life-changing. Every choice influences direction. The future is not built by one dramatic moment. It is built through countless decisions accumulated over time. The question is not, what future do I want? The deeper question is, what kind of person must I become to build that future? What is your highest timeline? Imagine your highest timeline, not as a fixed destiny, but as your highest realistic potential, the fullest expression of your character, your wisdom, your discipline, your compassion, your creativity, your contribution. It is not about perfection, it is about alignment. Every choice is a direction. Every decision moves you towards something or away from something. The books you read, the people you spend time with, the food you eat, the habits you repeat, the skills you practice, the conversations you entertain. Small choices become long-term trajectories. Identity before outcome. Many people chase outcomes. Fewer develop identity. A person does not become disciplined after success. They often experience success because discipline was cultivated first. The future often reflects repeated identity more than temporary motivation. Become the kind of person capable of sustaining what you seek. Aligning mind, heart, and action. Alignment grows when thoughts become intentional, values become clear, emotions become understood, actions become consistent. When these begin working together, decision-making becomes clearer, purpose becomes stronger, progress becomes steadier. Releasing what no longer serves. Growth sometimes requires addition. It also requires release. Old habits, old fears, old assumptions, old resentments, old environments that continually pull you backward. Alignment often involves creating space for healthier patterns to emerge. The company you keep. Human beings influence one another. Communities shape habits. Relationships shape expectations. Mentors shape perspective. Ask, who encourages my highest potential? Who continually reinforces my lowest patterns? Environment matters. The discipline of becoming. The highest version of yourself is not built in a single breakthrough. It is built through repetition, showing up, learning, practicing, adjusting, continuing after setbacks. Consistency often accomplishes what intensity alone cannot. Building the future. Now, the future is already being built through education, community, agriculture, innovation, art, science, family, leadership. The future is not somewhere else. It begins in the present, living beyond fear. Fear asks, what if I fail? Purpose asks, what can I learn? Fear says, wait. Wisdom says, prepare. Courage says, begin. Living in alignment does not remove uncertainty. It changes how you move through it. Contribution as alignment. The highest timeline is rarely about personal success alone. It asks, who benefits from my growth? What am I building? What knowledge am I preserving? What opportunities am I creating? What legacy am I leaving? Personal growth reaches its fullest expression when it becomes contribution. Your future is not written by wishful thinking alone. It is influenced by your choices, your habits, your relationships, your discipline, your values, your willingness to keep learning. Alignment is not a destination. It is a daily practice of becoming more consistent with the future you hope to help create. Your highest timeline is not simply the future you desire. It is the future your daily character, discipline, relationships, and contribution are capable of building. Every conscious choice becomes another step toward that possibility. I appreciate you all for joining me. and hope you enjoyed this presentation. I'll see you again soon. Until next time, peace.